Welcome. This is Mrs. Collins. I am an educator in California and I love sharing helpful tips with other educators, especially to help them save time. So I am going to share a Google add-on called Yet Another Mail Merge, YAMM. And you will want to use this so that way if you are having to send out emails where you're having to notify parents if their student is earning less than a C, or if you are setting up a communication to let parents and students know that you need them to attend your office hours or a study hall to make up work, then you will be able to use Google Docs to type out your actual communication, or you can just use Gmail. However, whatever fields you want to fill in from your Google Sheets, you're going to need to make sure that you utilize these various symbols, and then whatever information you want to populate, you'll type inside these symbols. And so you will need to have these symbols just as you see them here. And so in this case, I just want the name to populate, and I also want the appointment time to populate, and all the rest of this information is okay. So you have to make sure that this information that's inside here aligns with the information in your Google Sheets. So you will notice that it says student name, and it's student name inside the actual communication, and then appointment time is the same as it is over here in this document. And then what you would do is you will put all the emails into the actual sheet as well. Okay, and so what you are noticing here for the mail merge, because I already ended up doing a mail merge and I wanted you to see that once you send out the mail merge, you will end up getting a merge status. So it'll let you know if someone opened the email, if someone responded, if someone sent, if someone opened or responded, or if they did not open it, it'll just end up saying email sent. So that way you'll know to follow up with those particular individuals when they are in class, or you will follow up with your parents with a phone call or by using Google Voice or Remind or something like that. Okay, and so what you would do is if you're in your Google Sheets, you're going to actually go ahead and go to add one. And so because I already have the add on, so you would need to go to the Google add-on store to make sure that you download it for yourself. And basically, once it's on there and you're ready to go ahead and do your mail merge, you will go ahead and you will click here and you will hit start mail merge. And then when you do that, I am using the free version, so you will only receive a certain amount of number that you can send out per month. However, again, it is definitely a time saver and it works for me. And so once you start the mail merge, you're able to go ahead and indicate if you're going to use your document or if you are going to utilize your Gmail. So I'm not going to go through with sending the actual mail merge. However, it's fairly simple when you go through so that you can send it. You can even test it. But I do want to let you know that if you do send a test, that will use one of your actual emails that you get for the month. Okay. And pretty much, again, you would go to the Google Workspace Marketplace so that you can download it. And again, it tracks your email merge. Some of the unique features allow you to, let me just go back so you can see automatic over quota splitting, follow up in some time thread, and also be warned about past bounces, usage dashboard. So there are other additional features. You can track mail merge in real time in Google Sheets like I was showing you, but the status ended up being if someone responded, if someone read it, etc. So this is a really great way for you to save time rather than to send out multiple emails. I do know that sometimes people will blind CC so that, but you will not have the opportunity to personalize it. So in this case, because my students had different appointment times and I wanted to actually use the student name in the actual communication, then because those times were different for different students, it allowed me to personalize it more. So I hope that you found this helpful. And if you did find it helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it with your colleagues, like this video, leave me a comment and let me know other information that you would like for me to share with you, any other apps or any other educational programs.